this video, I'm going to show you how to properly connect a low profile coupler to a keg. It's really not that hard. It's very similar in operation to a normal coupler. There's just a couple little quirks to it with how it actually goes on. So the first thing, as a normal coupler does, it has the slots on either side of the coupler that line up with the tabs on the top of the keg. So you want to make sure that you're seating the coupler properly in those slots with the tabs. You'll see that it seats properly on there. You know, if you didn't have it properly done, you'd have it kind of at an angle, you'd really be able to visually see that. So have it seated there properly. Just give it a quarter turn with one hand. That way you're not over tightening it. And then the key to this one here is that you have to push down on the top and twist it so that it can seat in this little slot right here. So it actually goes on an additional groove, and that's what provides it to lock into place instead of it having the handle as a traditional coupler has. So we'll put it back on here, single hand, put it down there, and then we're going to take our other hand, go ahead and push down and turn at the same time, and it'll stop, and that's engaged. So it really is not that much more difficult. See how the space is diminished on here? If it was not seated properly, you can see there that you have a significant more of a rise on the coupler. So as long as you go through, push it down, give it a good twist, and it'll seat there properly just like a regular coupler. And it's really that easy. All right, so you have the coupler engaged on the keg. Now I'm going to show you how to disengage it if you're looking to swap out for a different keg. So it is just kind of the reverse of it. You'll take your hand on top of the keg here, the coupler, you'll give it a twist, it'll pop up. So you can see now that it's off there. And then once you have this first pop up, then you'll go ahead and give another turn. We'll take it off of the tabs. So now the slots are off the tabs and it's disengaged. Now if you want to go back on, just go through, quarter turn, push down, a little quarter twist until it stops, and it's back on.